Hey Dewdrops, it's Diane from CoraVina. Happy Tuesday. How are you? Hope you're doing really well. So we are marbling Christmas paper again all week, and let me show you our inspiration for today. Ooh, get that out of the way. We're doing a blue Christmas. Ooh, has anybody ever had a blue Christmas tree? I have not. We stick pretty traditional here at my house, but I think this looks really pretty. All right, and this is what we are aiming for today. So let me show you our colors. We've got white and our blues here. So what do you think? Think we're gonna do it? I think we're gonna try. All right, so let me adjust your view and we will get started. All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do is take our white and we're gonna go one drop at a time. There's a lot of white in this picture of our Christmas tree. A lot of white in the background, and there'll probably be a lot of white in our picture as well. Okay, so blues are really tricky, I have found. When I go to do this, I always seem to pick a blue that's just a little bit off. So let's see how we did today. Ooh, look at that color. I love it, love it, love it. It's such an intense color. All right, let's put some lighter blue in between here. It's very Frosty the Snowman, is it not? I'm really liking these colors. And I've got a little bit of this, which is a little bit lighter, almost more of a pink blue, if that makes sense. And then what else do I want to do? Let's put a little bit more white over top of our darker blue. See if we can't intensify these colors just a little bit. Very nice. Oh, I have this blue. Should I do it or should I not do it? It is cerulean, so it is, I guess we'll do it on the edges. It's still gonna be there. You'll still see it even if we don't like it. So this has, it's a little bit more, it's brighter. Not sure it's the same color as this Christmas tree, but I really like the Christmas tree. I think it's a good choice. All right, so I'm gonna thicken up this middle line. Nice and bold. We've got lots of white going on here. I'm excited. I think this is going to be a good option for this Christmas tree picture here. All right, so let's get our tools and start moving some stuff around. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go nice and slow. We're gonna bring it back. Oh, this is so pretty. I could stop right here. Should we stop right here? Yes, I think we should. Even though it's just paper, let's stop where we know we like it. So pretty. Okay, so we're gonna lower this paper down. Nice and smooth. No air bubbles, no air bubbles, no air bubbles is what we're rooting for. All right, so let's switch up. Here we are, Dewdrops. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna pull this out of the water. Let's see what we've got. All right, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. So pretty. I do like this a lot. What do you think? What do you think? See that dusty blue that's kind of set in there? You can see a little bit of a hesitation line. That's okay. I'll get better at that as I lay them down more often. All right, let me set this to the side. Ooh, guys, I really like that one. What do you think? Do you like it? So what happens next? How do I get it flat and ready to go? I let it dry, hang it to dry, and then I will iron them, and I'll compare them to the original Christmas picture that we have right here, thanks to the magic of YouTube. Do you like it? I hope I like it. It looks really pretty. I might have to do more with this color. Yeah? Okay, so this is Diane from CoraVina, trying to help you fit me into your busy schedule. We're going to keep it short and sweet. Thanks for watching, guys. Go to CoraVina.com to shop for a scarf for yourself or for a gift. They're wonderful gifts. And remember, no matter what, I hope you take a minute to have some joy in your life. It's important. All right. I will see you tomorrow with more paper marbling. Bye, Dewdrops. Remember, live colorfully.